Let's start in the Eastern Cape, where district environmental health units have been roped in to investigate an incident where 2 children have died in a suspected food poisoning incident. The incident happened at Msintsi Location outside KuGompo City, that is East London, yesterday. The children were declared deceased on arrival at Cecilia Makiwane Hospital in Mdantsane. They were among 7 children aged between 4 and 7 who presented symptoms including vomiting, diarrhea and dizziness. 4 of the children are still being treated at the health facility, while 1 has been transferred to the Freer Hospital for advanced medical care. For more on that story, I'm joined now by SABC News reporter Abongile Jantjies. Good afternoon to you, Abongile. What do we know at this stage about this incident and the work that is being done by the response unit of the health department?
Good afternoon to you too, Tulas. Well, at this moment we're coming to you from KuGompo, formerly East London, where at Freer Hospital here, where the other one was transferred here due to the seriousness of the illness that he is facing. We just went to see him there, and really I can tell it's still touch and go at this moment, even though the authorities are saying here, the department is saying that he will make a recovery. It's just a matter of time, but really he is in ICU, and really even the parents of his parents are here too, and you could see on their face that really their emotions were running high when we engaged with them, and they wanted their space, and we had to respect that. And the MEC for Health, Ntandokazi Capa, is also here to see for herself what is happening with regards to this, and has asked for an investigation of what led to this. Let's bring her into the conversation. Mama, thanks a lot for your time. What's the latest can you give us with regards to this?
Thank you very much. From the report that I got from the medical team is that we are suspecting organophosphate, but it's not yet confirmed. It's just a suspicion. But we have said our specialists must do the postmortem on those who have passed on, and we also want to send condolences to the family. We've met with the parents because one of the children that passed away is the brother to the one who's admitted in the hospital. But we can say the one who was admitted in ICU is out of danger. We spoke to him. We asked where he is. He told us he was in hospital. And we asked, what did you eat? He said he ate chips. So we have now waiting for the municipality to activate the team on Monday, which is tomorrow, to go to that area where the incident happened. But for now, we know that the Spaza shop is closed, and the police are monitoring that. That will take it from there. But from our side, as Department of Health, will fast track the postmortem so that we do all the necessary tests and investigation that is needed.
What do you say to the general public, since he is saying as a patient that he consumed chips? What awareness campaign would you bring to the fore for incidents like this to be avoided going forward?
You know, I am a mother too. When I'm at home in the rural areas, whenever I'm going there, I make sure that I pass by shops, buy some chips and everything that I know the little ones will need, so that to avoid them going to the Spaza shop. And I'm pleading with the parents to take care of that, see to it that whatever they eat, you are aware what is it that they are eating. Because when I was speaking to the mother, she didn't know, because they bought on their own. We must avoid giving them petty cash. But if you were to give them snacks, you must buy them from a reputable area or a shop, so that you are able to monitor what is it that they are eating. It's really painful for us to lose those 2 innocent souls. And we are really sending our condolences as a department. And we are also saying to parents, please look out after your young ones, especially when they are playing out there. Avoid giving them cash, because once you give them shit, they go and buy those little things. Even if you can have chips at home, where you bought somewhere where you know it's reputable. But if you give them cash, they'll go and look for those pink ones. You call them amalopis, they'll go and buy them. So we must try by all means to avoid giving them cash.
Thank you so much for your time. That's the Eastern Cape Health MEC Thulas Ndandokazi Chapa taking us through of this investigation that they have embarked on, and really calling out parents that they should play their part in ensuring that children buy foods from reputable stores. And the Buffalo City Metro also went to the area today, and they have closed down all Spaza shops there as they are doing their compliance measures and ensuring that every Spaza shop in that area is compliant with its regulations and bylaws. So we don't know, it's touch and go from here. One might say that that is reactionary since this has happened, but they are saying that they'll come to the root cause of this.
All right, thank you for that update. That's Abongile Jantjies there reporting live. Two key takeaways that I picked up from the conversation with the MEC. One has to do with what they're calling organophosphates, right? What they are suspecting, although the MEC is being cautious and saying it's not a conclusive finding, but it's what we are suspecting. And then the emphasis on compliance by Spaza shops, again, back in the spotlight.